Murata's BNX02 series continues to be a popular choice for eliminating EMI problems in a wide range of products. It's seen as one of the ultimate high-performance filters used to achieve FCC compliance. Its compact design, 20-amp rating, and wide operating temperature of -55 to 125 degrees Celsius allows the BNX02 series to be used in a wide range of applications vulnerable to electrostatic pulses. With its effective noise suppression range from 15 kHz to 1 GHz and insertion loss of greater than 35 dB, the BNX02 series of EMI filters provides an effective solution to eliminate unwanted noise problems. The BNX02 series is ideal for removing conducted noise often caused by DC to DC switching converters. The multi-element design and single package provides a simple and effective solution to ensure products meet global compliance regulations. With its high-rated current and excellent wideband filtering characteristics, the BNX02 series can be used across a wide number of applications that include automotive, connectivity and base stations, consumer products, healthcare and medical, factory automation, and sustainability.